Question 11. The maximum value of this graph is this. Okay, where m and n are constants. Show that m equals to n minus 1. Alright, this is what we need to do. Okay, so I think first of all, I think here they made a typo. It's supposed to be minimum value. Because this graph, a is positive or a is more than 0. Therefore, it will be a smiley face. So we are finding the minimum value. There's no maximum lah. Okay, I think that's a typo. Right, so now let's look at it. So this graph is a quadratic graph. Right? So they said the minimum value. If minimum value means they're talking about the y value, not the x value. Okay, if they say minimum coordinate, then the whole coordinate lah. But minimum value means, if this is your y-axis, the lowest value of the graph here. This is the lowest value. Therefore, they always talk about the y value. So the minimum value is m squared plus 2n. Right. We have to prove that m is n minus 1. Okay. So to get this, there are many ways of doing it lah. Okay, let's just try this way. So to get the x value of the minimum coordinate, we can use x equals to negative b over 2a. This is to find the axis of symmetry or to find the x coordinate of the minimum point. Okay, so from here, x will become, okay, let's figure out a, b and c first. So here a is 1, b is negative 4n, and c is 5n squared plus 1. Okay, a, b and c. A will be the coefficient of x squared, b will be the coefficient of x, and c will be without any x, the constants. So negative b over a, sorry, negative b over 2a will be negative cut. 4n divided by 2 is 2n. So our x is 2n. That means here it's 2n. So now we know our x value for the minimum coordinate. And when the x value is 2n, we get y of this. So you can say when you put this into the x, we will get this. So fx is x squared minus 4nx plus 5n squared plus 1. Okay, now we sub the x and y value into our equation. So this will be y and these are the x values. Okay, so y is m squared plus 2n, x will be 2n. Then we expand this, 4n squared minus 8n squared plus 5n squared plus 1. So 4 minus 8 plus 5 is 1. So it's 1n squared. So you can say n squared plus 1 is m squared plus 2n. Then this 2n we can bring over this side. M squared will equal to n squared minus 2n plus 1. Okay. Let's continue it here. So n squared minus 2n plus 1, we can try to factorize it. So you can use the help of your calculator. A is 1, b is negative 2, C is 1. So we get 1 and 1. So m square is n minus 1, n minus 1. We can also write this as n minus 1 square. Now since both also have square, we can cancel off, giving us m equals to n minus 1, which is exactly what we want. So you can say shown. Done. That's it. So this is one of the ways lah. Okay, this way, in this method, I found the x value using the formula to find the axis of symmetry. So this is formula to find axis of symmetry lah. Negative b over 2a. This formula will come in handy a lot of times. So you can memorize this. Then once we find the x value, we already know the y value, they already gave us. So you put it into the equation and then you solve. You can prove this. That's it.